Everybody, welcome back to Crypto Events Announcements. I'm Eugene, your crypto MC. Please welcome my today's distinguished guest. He is Mr. Ivan Golovanov, the product owner of Roobee.io, the renowned Roobee. You might have heard about this project, and he also will be the distinguished speaker at the AI and Blockchain Summit, hosted by InnMind team and Nelly Orlova in Barcelona, Spain, in November 19, 20, and 21st, the third edition of the renowned famous Swiss Blockchain Leadership Summit. Ivan, it's a great pleasure and honor to talk with you.
Hi, welcome, and thank you. It's a pleasure too. So let's start now.
Let's start for everybody. For those who might be not familiar with you and Roobee, could you please give us a bit intro, tell some words about who you are, what you do, and what project Roobee, you are working on right now in the blockchain space.
Okay, that's not a problem. So welcome everybody. And what I can say, in the beginning of my career, I worked in a bank, Nordea, and I was a part of a blockchain expert group. And it was the early beginning of the Ethereum blockchain development. And I've decided that that's something interesting that puts fire in my soul because it's something unstable, new, and we can do something new in that. So after that, I've changed my focus to the blockchain development. And my famous or successful venture was HashLab. I founded it with my partner, Dan Kaiser. So we was not a typical consulting blockchain firm because we had a strong blockchain development team. Dan was a winner of Ethereum Waterloo, so awarded by Vitalik Buterin. And also, as a Roobee, we are going in several days in Canada to attend at Ethereum Waterloo once more. So with the Roobee team, hope we will do it well. So and after that, I've discovered for me Roobee, and I've decided that it will be my 100% focus, and it was a crazy year. So what Roobee is? Roobee is a blockchain-based investment service. We're trying to give the wide range of the people, not professional investors, a transparent way to invest in diversified portfolios or investment products with help of artificial intelligence and blockchain. So, and the killer feature is that they can invest in various and different investment products starting from $10. It's cool because, for example, if you want to buy S&P 500 or something like that, you will need $300. But if you want to buy 10 shares, you will need $1,000. And using Roobee, you can start with $10. That's cool.
What are your main reasons? Why did you decide to take part in Barcelona Summit as a speaker?
Okay, so I think I have something to share with everybody. As I said, it was a crazy year. Why? Because we have several IOs on different exchanges, and we've developed our web version as an MVP, and now we're working on 2 mobile applications with our product team, and they are already posted in beta mode in Google Play and App Store, and also now we're working on our own blockchain based on Hyperledger Fabric permission blockchain, and also we have in testnet some Ethereum digitized asset system built in our web version. So that's why I want to attend and I want to speak about it, because we're trying to solve so many problems that every blockchain product I think may face this year or previous years. That's interesting.
We'll be speaking only about Roobee project and your experience that, or we'll be covering a more wider range of topics and issues regarding blockchain space in Barcelona.
Yes, I think I will speak about the wide range of topics in first track about blockchain. I want to speak about how we can build a bridge between our traditional financial world and our decentralized financial world, because there is no bridge. If we speak about digitized asset or we speak about the full transparency, we need to solve this problem, because if we will have the bridge between decentralized finance and traditional finance system, we will solve a lot of problems that facing investment and trading and other financial stuff in blockchain.
By your opinion, what are the main trends right now in 2019 in the blockchain space, and what destinations and directions our whole industry worldwide is moving on towards?
It's very interesting and hard question. In my opinion, the market doing great now because there is not so many projects that have no product at all. They have only ideas, and that crazy ICO and Bitcoin bull run we have last years is great, but it's not good for the blockchain infrastructure, for the robust market. And now we see that there is a lot of projects that have product, that working on the product, and they're trying to run on the markets in European, Asian, American markets, trying to achieve some user base. And it's more like the traditional startup or venture sphere. So I think it's the main trend. Market will become robust. And also in blockchain, last year's Ethereum was the main trend. But now we see that there is some corporate yes blockchains. As we use Hyperledger Fabric as our own blockchain, many projects doing the same, because permission blockchains will give more opportunities to big corporations or governments or something like that. I don't think that Ethereum is being used by governments, but Ethereum is a cool thing. But I think they need something like Hyperledger or something like that.
Well, and finally, Ivan, whom will you recommend to visit AI and Blockchain Summit in Barcelona? What type of persons would mostly benefit from attending this event?
I think that everybody who's interested in blockchain development, in development of blockchain products, or visionary or something like that, will be interested in that. Because I was on a lot of conferences, and the great thing about it is the conference can bring you a vision, a big vision. So you can see the many speakers, you can see the many topics, and you can understand what's going on the market. So if you want to have a complete vision on the market, so please attend at this conference, and we're waiting for you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, if you definitely want to completely know what's going on here in blockchain space and searching for right time and right place this fall, please pay attention on the AI and Blockchain Summit hosted in Barcelona, Spain in November 19th, 20th, and 21st by InnMind team, and visit this event and meet Ivan Golovanov. Personally know more about Roobee, and by the way, we can meet with you at other events. Please check cryptmc.com and find the list and promo codes, and subscribe our Facebook page and YouTube channel, and stay tuned for next speakers interviews regarding AI and Blockchain Summit in Barcelona. Ivan Golovanov from Roobee, Eugene Romanenko. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, stay crypto, and thank you.
Thank you.